Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove Meta AI on WhatsApp on your Android. So first step you need to do is to open WhatsApp. So once you open, click on three dots on the top right and click on settings and click on chats. Here you can find an option to disable Meta AI chatbot, but currently you can see that that option is not available in my region. So you simply need to go back and click on help and click on help center, and once it is open, click on contact us and tell us how we can help. So click on write hi, I want to remove Meta AI from my WhatsApp, kindly help me do that, and click on next, and you need to send that to the WhatsApp support team, and after that the WhatsApp support team contact you and help to resolve your issue. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.